Good morning, children. Welcome back to your biology online class. In our previous class, we discussed about growth and development of human embryo. We also discussed about the difference between oviparous and viviparous animals. Do you remember that? Then what is the difference between oviparous and viviparous animals? Viviparous animals give birth to young ones, but oviparous animals lays eggs and the young ones develop from the eggs. Today, let us discuss about metamorphosis and asexual reproduction.
The new individuals, which are born or hatched from the eggs, continue to grow till they become adults. In some animals, the young ones may look very different from the adults. Children, recall the life cycle of butterfly. The egg hatches to form larva or caterpillar. Then pupa, then it will become adult. Silkworm also has different stages in its life cycle. Egg, larva, cocoon and adult moth. This diagram shows the life cycle of frog. Observe the different stages of frog starting from the egg to the adult stage. We find that there are three distinct stages: egg, larva or tadpole, and adult. This diagram shows the life cycle of frog. Observe the different stages of frog starting from the egg to the adult stage. We find that there are three distinct stages: egg, larva or tadpole, and adult. Children, don't the tadpoles look so different from the adults? Can you imagine that these tadpoles will someday become frogs? Similarly, the caterpillar or the pupa of silkworm looks very different from adult moth. The features that are present in the adult are not found in these young ones. Then what happens to the tadpoles or caterpillars thereafter? You must have seen a beautiful moth emerging out of the cocoon. In the case of tadpoles, they transform into adults, capable of jumping and swimming. This transformation of the larva into an adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. So far, you have learned about reproduction in some familiar animals. But what about very small animals like hydra and microscopic organisms like amoeba? Do you know how they reproduce? Let us discuss about that. They shows asexual reproduction. The type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. The first type of asexual reproduction is budding. Hydra and yeast reproduce by this method. A bud is an outgrowth from the parent body. In each hydra, there may be one or more bulges. These bulges are developing new individuals and they are called buds. Since the individuals develop from the buds in hydra, this type of asexual reproduction is called budding.
So children, that's all about today's class. I attached a YouTube URL to watch the animation of the topic. I also attached notes of this lesson. Download the notes, file and learn. Attend the test question. See you in another class with another topic. Till then, bye.